Are you having a hard time?
Oh, like press it in? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'm with Giulia Lombardo. Today we are going to be making what?
Today we're making a prawn pasta with zoodles and regular fresh pasta, so it's going to be a combination. So the sauce is going to be just olive oil and garlic.
Okay.
The prawns and some cream. So we're gonna get this pan going. And you want to do just like a slow saute because you don't want to burn the garlic.
Okay.
When you're choosing prawns, if you don't know what kind to get, just try to get wild prawns. And if you see the ocean-wise symbol, go with that. They're a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth it. So once the garlic has some nice color to it, it's getting a little bit golden, we're going to deglaze the pan with some wine. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. Right. All those little crispy parts at the bottom of the pan that happened while we were sauteing, it just lifts them to the surface so they become part of the sauce and not just stuck onto the pan. You wanna do a figure eight.
Figure eight?
Swirl. That's an old school French technique of stirring. Okay, so Christina, we're using fresh pasta today. Fresh pasta has eggs in it. So that's why it can't be dried. It's a little richer and just more tasty.
Do Italians throw pasta? No.
If my dad saw me do that, he'd like ground me.
All of it?
Yeah. Okay, so let's quarter this lemon. Yeah. Quarters?
I know, but I just know you're gonna be like, I don't like to do it that way. Do it this way.
I was thinking that, but I wasn't gonna say it. Like this.
Do you?
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna do, but I was just gonna do it.
No, now it's ruined. Just kidding.
That looks really good.
What do you think?
Really good. Very comfort foody. I love it. It's so good.